Hi guys, my name is Jazz and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, I discuss everything fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. Today I have a winter haul. It's a small one, but I have some I have some goodies in this haul. It's a really good one. So if you want to see what I got, you need to watch. You gotta watch. It's a really good one. I got some coats, I got some jewelry, but let's just get right into it. So you guys know I have an obsession with coats and outerwear, and I saw this coat on Farfetch and I was just like, you know what, I don't need another coat. It's kind of expensive, and it was on sale, and the sale price I think was like $500. And then Farfetch had, they always send you these sale kind of notifications on my phone because I have the app, and they're like, oh, what you had on your wish list is 30% off. And then with the 30% off, I was like, I gotta get it. I'm getting it. So I'm just get right into it because it's just fabulous. So I picked up this coat from Farfetch, and it's from a brand called Pinko. I'm not familiar with the brand, but just look at all this fabulosity. Where's the belt? Hold on one second. It comes with this fabulous belt buckle. Oh my god, I can't even talk. Belt buckle. It has the faux fur, this dark kind of grape color. I don't even know what to call this color. The inside, it's all faux fur and this, but it's just really honestly just truly fabulous. Are you guys look at this. It has the sleeves, I'm all about a just obnoxious jacket that is not warm at all, but it just makes a statement. I just love that. So it has the buttons here. It's long. I'm gonna put it on for you guys so I can show you it in all of its glory. So I have the longest arms. For some reason, every piece of my body, body part of my body is very well proportioned, but when it comes to my arms, they're freakishly long. So I love this because I don't even have to wear it with the belts. I can kind of just do it, kind of button it and just be fabulous on its own. I can wear, again, anything with this and it just be look at this. Look at this. Now, with the belt buckle, one thing I like about this buckle, it doesn't have a lot of give. So if your waist is if you're a little bloated or anything, I feel like it might not wrap but around the stomach, but you kind of wrap it around like this. Once I button it, even right now it's extremely tight, but I don't really need the belt buckle. So kind of once I screw it on, I'm sorry guys, hold up. Why can't I do this on camera? It's taking me forever, but you guys get the point. Why am I having trouble? Oh, there it is. Sorry for that. But yes, so with the belt buckle, and I mean this belt is it cinches the waist, girls. It cinches the waist. So it has that's the only thing. I love this coat, but the waist, I wish it was a little bit tad bigger because right now it's it's on. You see how much trouble I had to get it on. It's just that it clips. So once you kind of clip it, it kind of just stays together. So definitely I will, if I didn't plan on wearing this coat and kind of going out and taking it on and off, I probably would lose the belt. But I just love the belt and just all of this. But I love this jacket, coat, because I can wear it obviously dressed up. But even if I want to wear a cool pair of sneakers with jeans, this would be just as great as well. Of course, does it have enough room? It has enough room in it for some light layering. I won't say that you can layer a ton. Of course, you know what I mean? It's definitely one of those statement coats, but if it's still available, it should be available still on Farfetch. Of course, I will link it down below. I believe I got this in the 42, it's Italian sizing, but I just can't. Obsessed. Super obsessed. Love this. So now that I'm gonna take this off, I want to show you guys, and I honestly want you guys' honest opinion on this next coat. I think I talked about it in one of my last videos, or it might have been a blog post. But All Saints is one of my favorite brands. I love their coats. So Monroe Steele had this coat last year, and it was a fringe jacket, and I saw it and I was like, oh my god, I need to get that. Of course, last year I waited till it was too late. It went on sale. And of course I missed it and I just wasn't able to get it last year. So this year when I saw they had it again, and then Cyber Monday they had 30% off, I was like, oh my God, now's my time. Now's the time for me to get this coat. So I get the coat and I'm like, okay, because I wanted like a black wool coat that I can layer, that makes a statement, but it's practical. I can wear it all the time. That, not that I was looking for something extremely warm, but definitely something that was layerable, that is just giving that that black like wool effect. So I got this coat and it has like the fringe. I'm not sure if you guys can see the fringe like on the sleeve here, the fringe on the back. And then I kind of got it and I just didn't expect it to be as light as it is. Like, you know, I mean, it was on sale, but like the original price I want to say is like $600, and with the 30% off it came with tax and everything, it came to about like still $400. And I mean, for $400 this thing is not warm at all. Like today in New York it was like 38 degrees, like that brisk cold, and I could not have worn this. It's kind of just wide. Well, you can button it like this, but when I tell you guys that this jacket is extremely light, like I don't know, I just thought it was going to be a lot heavier. It's like really, really light. It's still really cool. You know, it's like definitely like the black on black kind of like New York cool vibe. It's like, you know, you're fringing along. It's really cool, but I don't know. I just thought it was going to be a lot heavier. And then I'm like, it's just so thin. Look, it's just so thin. So I don't know if I'm going to keep this coat. I mean, maybe if it went on a sale for like another additional, maybe I'll keep it, but I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Like, should I keep this coat? Like, I wish you guys can like feel this coat through the screen. Like, it's just like, just very, very light. My other All Saints plaid checker coat is a lot heavier than this. So I was really pleasantly surprised. So I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do. But I love it, but I'm just like, was it worth it? I'm not sure. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Keep, you know, return, exchange. What do you think? I have like a few days to make up my mind. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. I definitely want to know. So the next thing I got, I want to get into this because if you guys watch my, was it 2021 luxury wish list, did I get anything off of it? I got like a few things. Like I got like the Gucci tights, but it was definitely like an aspirational list. So I put these on my list. And people were saying, oh, it's not worth it, it's not worth it. And then look at the Louis box. So long story short, they had a contest at my job. Like every month they like run contests for managers who can make the biggest goal or whatever. I forget what the actual contest was. And the winner of this contest got like a shawl, like a Louis Vuitton shawl. So I ended up winning the contest and I was like, oh, I don't really want the shawl. Like, you know, I don't really want that. Like I did want these earrings and I wanted them for a long time. So I ended up winning and I was able to exchange my gift for the shawl for the earrings that I wanted instead. So, you know, it came in this cute little box, which I like love, all about the packaging. And then, you know, the little Louis bag. The lights are probably super bright where you guys can't see. But I got the Louis earrings. You guys know I wanted these earrings so bad. I'm sure you guys cannot see. I'll put up a clip here of me like rocking them. But I wanted these for a really long time, so I'm glad I was able to kind of get them. Kind of like my reward for the year and like from work. It was nice to get it as a gift because even though the price had went up, I know these originally were like $500 and all of a sudden like the price was jacked. Like now these are $715. And I know they had went up a lot because the last time I looked at them last year when they were sold out, they were like in the 600s. So they keep going up. So I'm glad I was able to kind of snag these. They're super cute. Obviously, I'm going to wear them a ton. And I'm so glad I finally got something off my luxury wish list. So I'll be like staying tuned for what I'm going to get for 2022. But I'm so excited about these. You guys know I wanted these like so much. So I'm excited about these. I love, love, love these. The next thing I got. So I went to Garden State Mall like a few weeks ago and it was packed, like packed. It was packed. It was Christmas people. It was hot. It was just a really terrible time. But I stopped in Sam Edelman and I picked up these boots. Like I'm actually wearing them now. But I picked up these white like cream boots from Sam Edelman. They have the square toe. I talked about this in my what I wore this week because literally ever since I bought them, I cannot stop wearing them. They're extremely comfortable. I know on camera they seem really stark white, but they're like a off kind of like cream white, where they're not so stark. And I love that they have like this black contrast here, and even the heel is just like super It's so cute. I believe they come in other colors. They have them, I think, in a snakeskin / brown, and I think maybe black. But when I tell you guys, like, these shoes, these boots are so comfortable. So comfortable. I've been wearing them in the office all day long, like 12-hour days, walking around. I wore them in the city and like no complaints whatsoever. They're so comfortable. I'm actually going to look at other styles because it was just like the perfect ankle boot. I love the color, and I love that they're just actually really, really wearable. Like, you don't find things like that, and I'm just like, oh my God, these are so comfortable, and they're easy to put on, like, boom, on. So I love those. I also picked up a few things from Zara. So I got this. You guys love this top, and I think it came in green too, but I picked this up in store. And it's the purple crisscross top. Now, like, the color, like, I'm usually not into purple. For some reason, like, purple is just a color, like, in my color palette that I just never, ever explored. So I was excited to kind of try this and give it a whirl. And you guys loved it. I loved it. If it's still available, I'm definitely going to link it. This is something that I also would love to have, like, in a different color. Like, I feel like if I had a few colors of this, I've been feeling like these kind of ribbed sweaters because I love, like, you know, the neckline, like my girl Politics of Fashion, you know, the whole, you know, neck is sexy. I just love that kind of thing. Love that. So I was able to snag these up. I also got some pants that I talked to you guys about. Of course, now I can't find them. I got these pants from Zara, and I talked about these earlier this week, but these are just so good. They zip in the front. They feel like a really just great quality legging, but they split on the side. So I feel like this is just great. And they're so comfortable and stretchy. Like, there's nothing more. I don't know. I feel like lately I've been having trouble finding bottoms, especially ones that I can wear to work, because I can't wear denim to work, which has been kind of killing me because like I have a lot of denim and I would love to wear that, but I can't. So when I picked these up, I was really happy that they're like stretchy, they're comfortable, and the color gray is not, it's almost like that gray where it's almost in the green family where it just goes with so much, and I really, really love these. So guys, that were all the things I picked up from my small winter haul, but it's a good haul, like, right? It was a really good haul. Let me know which is your favorite. Let me know what you guys think of that All Saints jacket. Like, would you keep it? Like, what do you think? It's just, I don't know. I just was expecting like a heavier like wool coat. I'm like, oh man, like I can't really wear that. That's definitely like just a light jacket when it's like a smooth 45, 50 in New York, which is not going to be happening much longer here in the city. So I don't know about that. I'm so excited about my Louise earrings. My Pinko Coat I love. I gotta get more practice putting on that buckle, but other than that, I love it. I do love it. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Be sure to like this video and subscribe, and until next time guys, be safe and be well. Bye.